Welcome back to the YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals, where we are providing you high quality videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories and concepts, handling of MCQs and numericals will be easy. Also welcome to the best MCQ series video for CBSE Class 10 Physics. This is for the solution to your sample paper, CBSE sample paper. This is part 2. We have designed this best MCQ series videos with lot of care. Here we are providing you high quality MCQs. In fact, we are starting from very basic fundamental level and we are moving on to more difficult level of MCQs. With each and every MCQs, we are providing you explanations so that you can refresh your concept and strengthen them. These are just not videos. These are mock tests. With each and every MCQ, we are providing you timers with reasonable time so that you can put in your thoughts. You can get your option before we take you to the answer. If you calculate for these videos, you will get very high learning volume to time ratio, because the time you will be spending compared to that you will be getting very good number of high quality videos. So we will suggest you to enjoy these videos and take the learning from it. We have already uploaded a number of videos for your this physics syllabus. We will provide you the links in the description box so that you can go through the videos in case you have not already gone through. This video is for solution to sample paper physics part. This is part 2. Here also we will be providing you the timer in case you have already gone through these sample question papers. You please forget the answers and use this video as a mock test. The question number 40. Rays from sun converges at a point 15 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Where should an object be placed so that the size of its image is equal to the size of the object? 4 options A, B, C, D. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. As I have been telling, you have got freedom to take extra time. You can pause the video, get your answer and come back. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A, that is 30 centimeter from the mirror. Let's understand. See, when the rays from sun are getting converged onto a point, that means that is the focus. So the focal length of the mirror is 15 centimeter, and we know the image will be of equal size of the object in case it is placed at center of curvature, which is twice the focus. So it will be twice of 15 centimeter, that is 30 centimeter. Next one, question number 43. If the real image of candle flame is formed by a lens that is 3 times the size of the flame and the distance between the lens and the image is 80 centimeter, then at what distance should the candle be placed from the lens? 4 options. It's a numerical. 20 seconds time for you. Time starts now. And you have the freedom to take extra time. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D, that is 80 by 3 centimeter. Let's see the calculation. See what is given. You have been given magnification, that is -3. Why negative? Please refer to the RNVP rule that we have discussed in the previous video, that is lens formula and numerical. There we have explained this RNVP rule. So AM is -3. What else have been given? You have been given V is equal to plus 80 centimeter, because it is real image. So image has been formed at the right hand side, because we always assume that object is at the left hand side. So V is plus 80 centimeter. So we have the relation V is equal, M is equal to V by U. So put there, you get the value of E, you get the value of U. So as we have been saying that in case U is given, in case object distance is given, you have to take it with negative sign. In case you have to calculate U, it should come negative, because it is always assumed that object is placed at the left hand side. So here the answer is option D, that is 80 by 3 centimeter with negative sign, that means on the left hand side of the lens. Next one, question number 44. Look at the image. Looking at the diagram, Nalini concluded 4 things. 4 statements have been given regarding this diagram. You need to find out which one of these are true. 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option C. That means 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Let's look at the statements. One is image of the object will be virtual one. See, the object has been placed between focus and center of curvature. So image cannot be a virtual image. Image can be virtual only if the object is placed between optical center and if it is placed between pole and the focus. In that case only the image will be virtual. So number 1 is not true. Statement number 2. The reflected ray will travel along the same path. Yes, because it is going through center of curvature. So ray passing through center of curvature will come back at the same path. The image of the object will be inverted. Yes, it will be a real image, so it will be inverted. And it is a concave mirror and hence the focal length will be negative. Yes, that's the rule. For a concave mirror, focal length is negative. So statement 2, 3 and 4 are correct. That is option C here. Next one, question number 45. Look at the diagram. What it says, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 equal to angle 4. But 2 is less than 1. Not a very clear picture. Not a very nice picture. Anyway, still you need to go through. So 1, 3 and 4. These 3 angles are same. And 2 is less than 1. Now you need to find out the medium. Which medium is denser? Which medium is rarer? 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Do it carefully. Take extra time if you need. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. Look at it carefully. Now first see, it says angle 2 is less than angle 1. In red color it is marked. So I is greater than R. R is less. That means medium 2 is denser medium compared to rarer medium. That is one part. Right. Then it says 1 is equal to 3. That means when it is coming back to medium 3, the angle of emergence is becoming angle of incidence in medium 1. That means medium 1 and medium 3, they are same. And again in the last part you see from medium 3 to medium 1, see these two angles are same. I is equal to R. So medium 1 and medium 3, they are same. So it is option D. That is medium 1 and medium 3 are essentially the same, but medium 2 is denser. Yes, from the diagram it comes out like this. Next one, question number 46. The refractive index of flint glass is 1.65 and for alcohol it is 1.36 with respect to air. What is the refractive index of the flint glass with respect to alcohol? 4 options, 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Easy one, a very basic fundamental one. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. See, refractive index of flint glass with respect to alcohol will be refractive index of flint glass by refractive index of alcohol. which is 1.65 by 1.36, that is 1.21. Here you see, out of the two, of course flint glass is denser medium because its refractive index with respect to air is high. So if you need to divide, so you will divide 1.65 by 1.36, that is 1.21. So it is option B here. Hope you are liking this video and the solutions. Your response is very important to us. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Let's continue. Next one, question number 43. A numerical diagram has been given. The lens has a focal length of 10 cm and the object is placed at 2 cm and the object height is 2 mm. You need to find out the height of the image. 4 options given, 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Take your own time, do it peacefully. If you require more time, do take more time. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option C. Let's see the calculation. This is a two-stage numerical. First, you need to find out V, that is image distance. You have got the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. What has been given? F is plus 10 centimeter because for convex lens focus is positive. So f is plus 10, u is minus 5. So you put the values, you get v is equal to minus 10. Once you have got the value of v, you put in that m formula. M is equal to v by u. So you get value of m as 2. So the image height will be twice the object height and it will be 4 centimeter and it will be an upright object, virtual and upright. Next MCQs, in fact 4 MCQs together on a case. A case has been given. What the case says? Noor, a young student who was trying to demonstrate some properties of light in her science project work, she kept X, some object, inside the box as shown in the figure and with the help of a laser pointer made light rays pass through the holes on one side of the box. She had small butter paper screen to see the spots of the light being cast as they emerged. So what has been shown? An unknown object X, set of incident rays, set of outgoing rays. Okay, from this diagram you need to answer to the questions. 4 questions coming up. Question number 57. What could be that X item she has placed inside the box? 4 options. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is a parallel sided glass block. So see, look at the picture. The direction of ray 1 and ray 2 did not change. Direction did not change. They might have got little bit shifted, but direction has remained same and there has been some lateral shift. So it must be that known case of light passing through a glass slab with lateral shift. So the item X must be a parallel sided glass block, that is option B. Next one, question number 58. Now in this case, suppose you have been told that the material inside has got refractive index of 1.5 and the angle of incidence is 48.60 degree. So you need to find out what will be the angle of refraction inside X. You have been given angle of incidence, you have been given angle of incidence, you have been given refractive index. You need to find out angle of refraction. 10 seconds time for you. Time starts now. Time's up. The answer is option C, that is 30 degree. Again, a very small basic calculation using Snell's law, that is refractive index is equal to sin I by sin R, or 1.5 is equal to sin 48.6 degree by sin R. You have been given the values. Find out the value of sin R is half, or R is equal to 30 degree. Next question, 59. Now her friend noted following observations from the demonstration. 4 observations have been given. Again, you need to find out which of the observations are correct. 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. That is option 3 and 5, they are correct. Let's go through. Glass is optically rarer than air. No way. Glass is optically denser. 1 is false. 2. Air and glass allow light to pass through them with same velocity. No. In glass, speed of light is slower because refractive index is high. So 2 is false. 3. Air is optically rarer than glass. Yes, true. Glass is denser, air is rarer. Option statement 3 is correct. Speed of light through denser medium is faster. No. Speed of light through denser medium is slower. Option 4 is wrong. 5. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence in the first medium to the ratio of sine of angle of the refraction in the second medium gives the refractive index of the second medium with respect to air. That's Snell's law. That's correct. So option 3 and 5, they are correct. That is, here it is option D. Next one, the last question of this sample paper. If the object inside the box was made of material with refractive index lesser than 1.5, then the lateral shift would have increased or decreased? That's the question. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option A. If the refractive index would have been less, the lateral shift also would have been less. As already told, we have already uploaded a number of videos for your this class 10 physics syllabus. We have given the links in the description box. Please go through them. In case you have not gone through, in case you have already gone through, please revise them, use them as mock test, strengthen your concept. Once your fundamentals are clear, you can handle any challenge with cool mind. Anyway, coming to this video, hope you have liked the video, hope you have liked the questions and solutions, the way it has been provided. Again, your response is very important to us. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We will come up with many such videos. Bye bye till then.